California, and I am a broadcast journalism major, and I'm going to introduce you to my biology friends so we can learn about evolution.
Hi, I'm Tadeja Roberts. I'm from New Jersey, and I'm an early childhood education major.
How you doing? I'm Blaze Fortune from Richmond, Virginia, and I'm an electrical engineering major.
Hi, my name is Ashira Curry. I'm from Chicago, Illinois, and I'm a communications major.
I'm a planet, I'm gone.
Hello, my name is Joy Conti Staton. I'm a second-year, 5-year MBA major from Prince George's County, Maryland.
I build.
So what's human evolution?
So what's human evolution?
So, what's human evolution?
Evolution occurs when there is a genetic material. It does not change any single individual. It changes the development of the species living in a particular habitat. Genetic and fossil evidence shows that human evolution happened in Africa. About 2 million years ago, we migrated and populated from many parts of the world. Modern humans are classified as Homo sapiens. Human evolution is the evolutionary process in which people originated from ape-like ancestors. Our physical similarities have shown that we have a close relationship with primates. This evolution process involves natural changes that cause species to adapt to the environment. So, Elena, how are humans classified?
So, as humans, we categorize ourselves as mammals, but within mammals, we are identified as primates. The origin of human evolution begins with hominids, which is the branch of an ape. All humans alive are Homo sapiens. It is said that we arose about 130,000 years ago due to continental drift. When Pangea broke up into different species went separate ways, colonizing different regions of the world. The biggest theory is the out of Africa theory, which explains that we originate from Africa and spread throughout the world while all of the other species went extinct except us, the Homo sapiens. With the dispersal of our ancestors, they replaced archaic people. The dispersal of the Homo sapiens, they had to adapt to the environments they traveled to due to the necessary requirements of environments to survive. So with the generations to come, the Homo sapiens species evolved with better characteristics to accommodate to continue to breed and live substantially.
It's likely the evolution that the upright posture is linked from life in trees to life on ground. The discovery of a foot bone suggests that the first full-time walker with the first hind foot was Australopithecus afarensis, aka Lucy, which is a species of hominids. The oldest Homo fossils were found in Africa and date back from 2.5 years ago, suggesting that the earliest members of the Homo habilis originated in Africa 2.3 million years ago. The Homo habilis resembles the Australopithecus Africanus because the face is pulled forward and the skull is round. Africanesius and the Homo habilis fossils provide excellent record of the evolutionary shift from ancestor hominin characteristics in the Australopithecus africanesius to the more recent Homo erectus. The Homo erectus is taller than the Homo habilis and has a larger brain and skull and more like the modern day humans. It's proven that 500,000 years ago, the Homo erectus could use fire and hunted large species of animals. The evidence of this is in the 2010 discovery of 400,000-year-old spears, each about 2 meters long, designed for throwing with the forward center of gravity. Why evolution happens? Scientists have discovered various outlets of evidence concerning human evolution, and this evidence comes in many forms. Thousands of human fossils enable researchers and students to study the changes that occur in the brain, body size, locomotion, diet, and other aspects regarding the way of life of early human species over the past 6 million years. Millions of stone tools, figurines, paintings, footprints, and other traces of human behavior in the prehistoric record tell about where and how early humans lived and when certain technological innovations were invented. Study of human genetics show how closely related we are to other primates. In fact, how connected we are with all other organisms and can indicate the prehistoric migrations of our species. Homo sapiens all over the world. Advances in the dating of fossils and artifacts have determined the ages of these remains, which contributes to the big picture of how human evolution happened.
As we know, pop culture plays an important role in the evolution of humans. These are cultural activities or commercial products that reflect and aim at a general mass of people. The use of mass media has changed the lives of people in society. Pop culture emerged from urbanization during the Industrial Revolution. It changed constantly and occurred uniquely depending on place and time. Examples include different genres of music, various artists, advances in technology, television, automobiles, computers, internet, communication, clothing brands, food, literature, and many more.
So humans evolved from Australopithecus to Australopithecus africanus to Homo habilis to Homo erectus to our current generation now, Homo sapiens sapien. Whoa, I'm freaking mind blown. In conclusion, we learned that evolution occurs relating back to Charles Darwin's theory of natural selection. Darwin's theory states that all species of organisms arise and develop through the natural selection of small inherited variations that increase the individual's ability to compete, survive, and reproduce. Evolution occurs because our universe progresses every day, and there will never be a generation without several things evolving within a given time period. Since the discovery of DNA, it has become obvious that in order for evolution to happen and significant changes in genetic code would be to occur in order to be transmitted to our offspring. Humans have evolved through genetic mutations, starting with hominins to our generation today known as the Homo sapiens. Fossils have helped provide this evidence that modern humans evolved from their earlier human. Therefore, humans' evolution happens because the previous generation's genetic codes have evolved into a more modern human.
Wow, I am so mind blown.
Really?
Yes, we have learned so much today. Like, it's crazy how much we have learned. Well, thanks guys for tuning in.
Bye!